In this video, I'm going to start with a test yourself. In that first one is multiple choice type. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. In that we have first question, a Pythagorean triplet has one number equals to 6. The Pythagorean triplet are, before this, what is triplet? We will be having a 3 numbers of sets. As you can see in the options, we are having 3 numbers of sets, and Pythagorean is nothing but we have to apply according to the Pythagoras theorem. So in that what we have to write the numbers in this way. A bigger number, for example, you just see 5 6 7. In that bigger number is 7 square, it will be equals to sum of the squares of 5 and 6. Okay, that I'll write and I'll show you clearly that one now. And before that, they have said Pythagorean triplet has one number equals to 6. As I can see in the all options, all options we are having one number as a 6. That is, they said one number equals to 6. Now we need to find out which one is the Pythagorean triplet out of these 4 options. Okay. So first option we are having, that is 5, 6, 7. Now according to the Pythagorean triplet, what it says, the bigger number, that is 7. So 7 square will be equal to sum of the square of these two numbers. It means 5 square plus 6 square, that is sum. That is nothing but we are doing addition of these two numbers square. Now see here, 5 5 is 25, 6 6 is 36. Now when I'll add these numbers, I'll get 61. Okay, now this side 7 7 is 49. So it means these both numbers are not equal. Similarly, we will do the second, third, fourth options here. Okay, here I have just corrected the options like A, B, C, D. Okay, so in the option A is not equal to LHS equals to RHS. Similarly, in the second case, that is also not equals to LHS equals to RHS. Okay, similarly, third one also not equals to each other. Now look at this fourth option, I mean D option. 10 square, which is equals to 8 square plus 6 square. Now 8 8 is 64 plus 6 6 is 36. When I'll add 6 plus 4 is 10. Here 6 9 10. Now this side 10 10 is 100. So it means option D is the correct answer. It means this number, I mean triplet set which holds the Pythagorean theory here. Okay. Question number 2. The number of digits in the square root of 12,10,000 is. It means what? See, let me write one number here, 100. Okay, and its square root, that we will get 10, right? So here it was 3 digit and its square root in that we found 2 digits. So similarly, if I'm having 49 and its square root is what? That is 7. Here it was 2 digit and here I found 1 digit. Similarly, we need to do the for this. Okay, that we are having 12,10,000, right? Now 121, that is square root, that is 11, and here 4 zeros are there. Okay, so let me make it half, that I'll get 2 zeros. So here it was how many digits? 3 6 7. Now it's become a 4 digit. That is, I mean this number square root we found, that is 1100, and it is having a 4 digit. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 3. The greatest 3 digit perfect square number is. As you can see, all we are having numbers here, 3 digit numbers. But whether all the 3 digit numbers are perfect square, yes or no, that we don't know. So let's start finding. So 121, we are having the first 3 digit number and its square root, that is 11. Question option B, that is 961, and its square root, that is 31. Option C, we are having 100 and its square root is 10. And option D, that is 900 and its square root is 30. So since, as you can see here, 31 is the greatest square root we found. Hence 961 is what? Greatest 3 digit perfect square number. So here option B is the correct answer. And this square root value, we can either find it by prime factorization method or short division method if you don't know. Question number 4. The area of square plot is 441 meter square. Its perimeter is. So area of square has been given, that is 441 meter square. 441 meter square. And what we need to find the perimeter. So area of square we are having, that is formula side into side. So area of square has been given, that is 441 meter square, and s into s, that is s square. Now what we will do? We will find out the square root of 441. I'm using here short division method. Now make a pair from right to left. Here 4 is left with only 1 digit. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 we need to add here. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Now let me take this pair down. So I'm having now 41. Now I'm adding here one number 1, and the same number we need to write here. Now 41 ones are, I'll get 41. Remainder we got 0. So 441 square root, that is 21. So 21 square m square equals to s square. Okay, now this square I'll take a common. So what left? 21m, I'm just writing like this, s square. Okay, now this square get cancels. Therefore, one side of the square we found, that is 21 meter. Okay, because in the square all sides are equal. Yes or no? All sides will be equal. Now perimeter formula what we are having, that is 4 into s. All sides are equal. Now 4 into 21 meter. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and this meter 84 meter. Now we are having option, that is B. Option B, 84 meter. Question number 5. Here we are having two statements. First statement, what it is saying? It is saying 3675 is a not a perfect square. So let's find whether it is perfect or a not perfect. According to the question, they are saying it is not a perfect square. But let's do the cross check. Then only we can decide the which option is the correct here. Okay. And to find out the whether it is perfect square or not, here I'm going to choose the prime factorization method. I'll tell you why it is later. Now let me start with the 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 7 minus 6 left with the 1. Now 3 5s are 15. The number is ends with a 5, so obviously it comes in the 5's table. Now 5 twos are 10, 2 left, 5 4s are 20, 2 left, 5 5s are 25. Okay. Now again the number is ends with a 5. Let me take 5 only. 5 4s are 20, left to 4, 5 9s are 45. Now the number is 49. So it comes in 7's table. 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. Now to say whether it is perfect or no, if it is perfect, the numbers always what we will get at this side, no, that prime numbers, it must be in a pair. As you can see here, 5 which is in the pair and 7 which is not in, which is also in the pair, sorry, but 3 which is not in the pair. Hence we can say that 3675 is what? It's not a perfect square number. Okay, not a perfect square. Hence statement 1 is what? True. Okay, now in the statement 2, what they are saying, after grouping into pairs of equal factors of 3675. Now see here, after grouping into pairs. After grouping into pair means for 5 and 7 we made a groups of a pair, but 3 it is left with the 1. Remember that. Now if we multiply or divide by the unpaired factor. So which one is the unpaired factor? That is here 3. So what they are saying, if we multiply or divide by the unpaired factor, then the product or the quotient becomes a perfect square. They are saying it means to this number 3675, to this we need to multiply unpaired factor, that is 3. So after multiplication, whatever the product we will get, that will be, they are saying, perfect square number. And one more they are said, no, or when we will divide 3675 by 3, whatever the quotient we will get, okay, that will be perfect square number, they're saying, according to the statement 2. Now let's do cross check whether it is correct or no. Okay, after multiplication I'll get here 11,025. Okay, now to this we need to find the square root of this, because they have said now after multiplication of unpaired factor with this number, the answer whatever we will get, they have said that is a perfect square. Now let's find it. Okay, now let me start with the 5. 5 2s are 10. Okay, left with the 1 here. 5 2s are 10, 0, 5 5s are 25. Now 5 4s are 20, 2 5 4s are 20, and 5 1s are 5. Now 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is okay. So 9, it means it divide comes in a 3's table. Let me take a 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 left, 3 4s are 12. Okay, 14 minus 12 left with the 2, 3 7s are 21. Now 4 plus 5 plus 7 is 12. It comes in the 3's table. Now 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12, and 2 left, 3 9s are 27. Now take a 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. See here, 5 got in the pair, 3 got in the pair, 7 got in the pair. It means what we found this side prime numbers, no, all numbers which are in the pair. Okay, it means this number which is what? Perfect square. Okay, okay, now we will divide this number. 3 1s are 3. Okay, 0, let me take 6 down. Now 3 2s are 6, 0, take 7 down. 3 2s are 6, 1, let me take 5 down. 3 5s are 15, 0 0. Now for this we need to find the square root of that, 1225. Okay, instead of doing this also we can see it from here. Okay, as you started from 5 245 and 549 is a 245, 7 7 is a 49, 7 1 is a 1. It means for 1225 we got the now prime numbers in the pair 5 and 7's pair. So hence this is what we got now. After division with 3 we got the quotient, that is also perfect square number. Hence from this we can say this statement is also what, that is true. Okay, in that options we have to see, no, so in that option A is the correct answer. Both the statements are true. And in this statement they have said no unpaired factor. Now to find out that, I have done here prime factorization method. So here we found that number, that is unpaired factor.